Hello everybody, Christopher Terry, and I'm back with another edition of the Real Estate Roundup. Today I'm going to introduce you to a mortgage financing program that's designed to help Fall River home buyers save thousands of dollars when financing their new home. Now what's interesting about this program is it offers buyers an opportunity to purchase a home with as little as 3% down. So I know what you're thinking. I can get an FHA loan for 3.5% down. Well, on a $200,000 home, that's $1,000. And I can think of a lot of things to do with $1,000. The next part of this program, which makes it unique, is there are no income limits. In other words, there's no limit as to how much household income is coming into the household. You see, with a lot of these programs, if you make too much money, sorry, you don't qualify. Well, there is no income limits with this program. And the third thing about this program, which makes it unique, is there is no PMI. There's no PMI. There's no PMI. Now you might have heard of PMI. PMI is the Private Mortgage Insurance, or MIP, Mortgage Insurance Premium. You see, and without PMI, you might save $100, maybe even $200 or more per month. That's $1,200 to $2,400 the first year. That's $6,000 to $12,000 over a 5-year period. But you see, it gets better. You see, let's say you went to a local lender and they said, with your principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and your MIP or PMI premium, you qualify for $90,000. So you go out and you look around and, I can't seem to find a home that I'd be comfortable in for $90,000. Well, if you can eliminate that PMI and put it back into the mortgage, you could qualify for more house. So, something to think about. So listen, if you'd like to know more about this program, give me a call, send me an email, and let's see if we can make you a homeowner and save you a small fortune along the way. Alright, so hey, if you're an iPhone or an Android user, you're probably going to like this next bit. It's called Heytell. You know how we all send text messages? Well, what if you could send a voice message the same way you'd send a text? Record your message, hit send, the other person receives it, and instead of reading it, they listen to your message. Text messaging is fantastic, but it's hard to relay any sort of emotional intent in 160 characters. It certainly is a lot easier if you can use your voice and voice inflections to signal the intent of your message. So it's pretty neat. It's called Heytell, and you can find it on the app stores, and check it out. You'll probably like it. Hey folks, this next little tidbit is something called Airbnb. It's perfect if you like to travel, if you like to take short little weekend vacations, or maybe you haven't been on a little vacation in a while and you just think it's too expensive. Well, at Airbnb, you can find rooms, apartments, even condos for rent by the night. I'll give you an example. Down in Newport, right downtown, I found a place. It's a 3-bedroom apartment that they rent for $150 a night. I'll tell you something. You can't get a room at a hotel in Newport for $225 a night, even in the off season. So check it out. It's called Airbnb, and maybe a little vacation's not out of reach. Hey folks, that's it for today, but if you notice down below, if you're watching this on the blog, you'll probably notice a couple images. They are images for sales stats, one from 2011, one from 2012. It is kind of interesting. You'll see that the number of units sold in Greater Fall River is up this year, and the pricing is up slightly this year. So it looks like hopefully we found the bottom and we're leveling out, maybe having a little bit of appreciation. At this point, if you're thinking about buying a home, you might end up chasing the market upwards, so it's something to think about. Before I wrap up, I want to take a minute. Mother's Day is coming up, and I wanted to thank all the mothers out there. Wish them a very happy Mother's Day. Enjoy your day, especially you, Mom, especially you, honey. Couldn't do what I do if it weren't for you, and I wouldn't be who I am if it weren't for you, Mom. So enjoy your day, and I know I'll see you that day. You guys, thanks for being here, and if you need a competent, caring, and professional real estate brokerage, think the Realtor with 2 first names, think Chris Terry, and Easy Home Search Real Estate. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.